Hello, little problem solvers, and welcome. Are you ready to have some fun? Today, we're going to solve some amazing math puzzles. You know, math problems aren't scary at all. They're really just secret puzzles, and we're going to figure them out together.
So I've got a really important question for you. Are you ready to become a math super solver? Awesome. Let's go on an adventure, and I'll share the secret steps to solving any math puzzle you can find.
Okay, here they are, our 5 secret steps for this whole adventure. First up, step 1, we read the problem, nice and slow. Then, step 2, we have to understand the story that's happening. Step 3, we choose our special math tool. For step 4, we solve it one little step at a time. And finally, the super duper important step 5, we check our answer to make sure we got it right. Ready to give it a try?
Our very first puzzle is all about getting more fun things. In math, we call this addition. Let's see what our first story is all about.
Okay, let's read this one together. Sam has 3 apples. Crunchy. Then his friend gives him 2 times more apples. Wow, what a great friend.
So the big question is, how many apples does Sam have now? Look really close. There's a secret clue word in there. Did you see it? It's the word more. Whenever you see the word more, that's a secret signal telling us we need to add. So let's solve it. We take Sam's 3 apples and we add the 2 more his friend gave him. So 3 plus 2 equals 5! Yay! Sam has 5 apples now. You did it!
And hey, if you ever feel a little stuck, here are some super solver tips. You can always use your fingers to count. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, and 2 more is 4, 5. You could also draw little pictures of the apples. Or you could even grab some of your toys and act the whole story out. See? Math is everywhere.
All right, you are doing so well. Are you ready for puzzle number 2? This time our puzzle is all about taking things away, and we call this subtraction.
Let's check out our new story. It says, Lena has 6 yummy cookies. But, she's feeling a little hungry, and she eats 2 of the cookies. Nom nom nom.
So the question here is, how many cookies are left? Here's our next secret clue. When you hear that something was eaten or taken away, that's your special signal to subtract.
Okay, super solvers, let's figure this out. We start with her 6 cookies, and then we take away the 2 that she ate. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. That means Lena has 4 cookies left for later. Awesome.
And here are some really cool subtraction tips. You can try counting backward from the big number, so you'd go 6, 5, 4, see? Or you could draw 6 cookies and then put a big X on 2 of them. You know, the best tip might be using real cookies, but you should probably ask a grown-up first.
Wow, you are on a roll. Our next puzzle is a super speedy way to count. It's called multiplication, and it's all about making equal groups of fun things.
So here's our story. There are 3 boxes, and inside each of those boxes, there are 2 toys. See that? Every box has the exact same number of toys. Those are equal groups.
So the big question is, how many toys are there in all? And our secret clue for this kind of puzzle is equal groups. When you see groups that are the same size, that's your signal to multiply. It's like a super fast way to add things up.
So we have 3 boxes, and we multiply that by the 2 toys that are in each box. 3 times 2 is 6. There are 6 toys altogether. Whoa, see how fast that was?
And here are some pretty awesome multiplication tricks. You could draw the groups of toys so you can see them more. Or you can try skip counting by 2s, like this. 2, 4, 6. You can even use adding over and over, which is just 2 plus 2 plus 2. All 3 tricks get you to 6. How cool is that? Okay, it's time for our final puzzle of the day. And this one is all about something really important, sharing. And you know what? In math, sharing has a special name. It's called division. Let's read our last story together. There are 8 yummy candies, and they need to be shared equally by 4 children. That word equally is super important. It means we have to be fair, and everyone gets the same amount. So our question is, how many candies does each child get? Can you spot the clue this time? You got it. It's sharing equally.
When you see those words, you know it's time to divide.
All right, let's solve this final puzzle. We have 8 candies, and we divide them among 4 children. So, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Each child gets 2 candies. Perfect. Now everyone is happy.
And here are some really great tips for division. You could make 4 equal little piles with real candies or maybe some small toys. Or you could share them out one at a time. You know, one for you, one for you, one for you, until they're all gone. Drawing is a great idea too. Just draw 4 little stick people and give them each a candy until you run out.
Wow, we solved so many puzzles today. Let's say our 5 secret problem-solving steps all together one last time. Are you ready? Okay, 1. Read the problem. 2. Understand the story. 3. Choose your tool. 4. Solve it step by step. And 5. Check your answer. You've totally got this.
Great job, math super solvers. You did it. You followed all the steps and you solved every single puzzle we looked at today. You should be so proud of yourself. You now have the secret skills to solve any math puzzle that comes your way. So my question for you is, what fun puzzle are you going to solve next?